Creating teams that work across sector lines is vital for many major social issues, but often presents complex teamwork challenges. Teams featuring people from different sectors often struggle with knowledge boundaries and changing team membership. So just how do teams transcend boundaries and fluid membership in order to perform effective cross-sector work? By studying teams formed across clinical organizations and socially driven nonprofits to address chronic disease, researchers found a factor they determined a joint problem-solving orientation that differentiated teams making progress from those that struggled. As team members from these very different types of organizations met to develop new processes for patients, most struggled to make progress. Despite reasonable efforts to develop familiarity, frequent change on the teams left them often starting from scratch. But researchers discovered that some teams made progress anyway. These teams, despite their knowledge gaps and fluctuating membership, saw their work differently, as a truly shared effort, and indicated a desire to problem solve together instead of going it alone. They also exhibited joint problem-solving practices in which they elicited and shared information and other resources which enabled learning. Wonder how teams across different sectors collaborate well? If so, you may want to read this paper.